Hello everyone, welcome back to Fashion Trend Seeker. So today we're going to check out these trending pixie hair ideas. First up, this woman does start off with a bob and she ends up getting her hair cut into this gorgeous pixie cut. This one does have a nice wispy bangs, choppy layers throughout. Love the messy chic feel behind this pixie. So that's also her friend who recently got a pixie cut as well. And then we move into this more kind of modern pixie haircut. This one does have beautiful ginger tones to it. And then we move into more of the Pixie, longer pixie look. So the client does start off with about shoulder length hair or so. And the stylist does a great job of getting her nice, beautiful bangs with this one. Lots of height, lots of volume. Perfect for if you do have hair on the thinner side. Then we move into a curly pixie cut transformation. So she has extremely long, curly, wavy hair. And the stylist does cut that all off. So she ended up getting this kind of like curly faded pixie. Very cute, nice tapered cut in the back. Beautiful. Then we move on to another longer pixie. She does have full bangs with this one. Beautiful shape and texture. Love the highlights mixed in as well. And then for those of you who like to keep things a little bit more edgy, this next pixie hair color transformation will definitely wow you. So she ends up getting several rainbow inspired colors mixed in with this look. Very cool, very modern, very edgy. And then for this next pixie transformation, she started off with a grown out pixie cut, and the stylist has cut the hair even further. So she does end up getting beautiful highlights mixed in with this one as well. Gorgeous shape up. This is more on the undercut pixie variety. Absolutely beautiful. Love the pop of kind of red lip that she has going there as well. Beautiful update to her pixie cut. And then the last pixie haircut for the day is going to be of this next one. So she does end up getting beautiful full feathered bangs with this in the front. This is once again a longer pixie. Absolutely love this overall shape, the color, the highlights, gorgeous. Alright you guys, so thank you so much for checking out this video. Be sure to give it a like if you enjoyed today's looks, comment, rate, and subscribe, and I will see you in the next one.